everyone, you are watching the Bharat and MNC presenting a today's news bulletin. Let's start with some important headline first. EM Jai Shankar counter India meet opposition with Pakistan at Goa. Rajnath Singh, Army Chief to visit Jammu aimed ongoing encounter in Rajouri. Congress claims Nadda for India used to surrender remark. Neeraj Chopra defend Diamond League title record 88.67 meter in Doha. Now news in detail. The Congress on Saturday claimed that the BJP was planning to assassinate party chief Mallikarjun Kharge and his family. Congress played an audio clip at a press briefing in Bengaluru, claiming that the BJP candidate from Chitpura, Manikarnika Rathod, used abusive language for Kharge and was talking about finishing him and his family. Plot to assassinate the president of Congress, Shri Mallikarjun Kharge, his wife and his children is not something that anybody should brush aside. Congress leader Randeep Surjewala said. External Affairs Minister Subramaniam Jaishankar wake up and smell the coffee advice to Islamabad on abrogation of Article 370 related in Jammu and Kashmir was perhaps equally applicable to Pakistan-obsessed Indian media, which continue to read tea leaves over non-extant bilateral ties between two nations. While certain sections of India left liberal media continue to dream about India-Pak detent and try to push the Narendra Modi government in that direction, Jaishankar message was clear. Defence Minister Rajnath Singh and Army Chief General Manoj Pandey will be visiting Jammu Kashmir today to review the security situation amid the ongoing encounter between security forces and terrorism in Rajouri forest area. According to people familiar with the matter, Northern Army Commander Lieutenant General Upendra Dwivedi flew in the morning, received the ongoing counter-terror operation. The Congress on Saturday hit out at Bharatiya Janata Party President Jagat Pratap Nadda for criticizing India at the past, asking for why such hatred toward the country. Addressing an election rally in poll-bound Karnataka, Kupal district on Friday, Nadda said India was earlier known for corruption, but now the country's identity has changed with the Prime Minister Modi rule. From providing logistic support to war-fighting Indian troops and foreign soul to offering succor in aftermath of the 2004 tsunami and repatriating Indian national during the pandemic, INS Major has done it all in 36 years of service and will be resting her hours on Saturday. 6th May 2023, the discommissioning ceremony will be held at the National Naval Base in Kochi and Vice Admiral M.A. Hamphiloli, Flag Officer Commanding-in-Chief, Southern Naval Command will preside over the event. We'll be back after a short break.
ITM हमारा, इसमें बहती ज्ञान की गंगा है, इसमें रहती प्रेम की यमुना है, सिद्धांतों का उच्च हिमालय है, भक्ति सिखाता एक तिरंगा है, गुरुकुल जैसा प्यारा ये ITM हमारा, सच्चे सपनों सा प्यारा ये ITM हमारा, ITM हमारा ये इंस्टीट्यूट हमारा, सच्चे सपनों सा प्यारा ये ITM हमारा, ITM हमारा ये इंस्टीट्यूट हमारा, सच्चे सपनों सा प्यारा ये ITM हमारा.
Welcome back to the Bharat. Raking up the issue of India's discussion to abrogate Article 370 revoking the special status of Jammu Kashmir, Pakistan Foreign Minister said that it's New Delhi's call to restart peace talks. He made these comments during an interview with the report. The Pakistan minister said revoking the special status of Jammu and Kashmir still remain an unresolved issue between the two warring nations. More than 33,000 people have been forced to flee their home in Western Canada as of Friday, 5 May, after a week of record hot weather exceeded seasonal average by as much as 10 degrees Celsius, which have since triggered wildfire. On the other hand, rapid show melt has triggered flooding across British Columbia. The Special Task Force of Uttarakhand Police shut down 7 additional fake websites offering helicopter ride booking for the ongoing Char Dham Yatra. A police official said this take the number of such websites blocked to 15. The official said last month the STF had shut down 8 websites. Their confidence low after earning just a point from the last 3 games. Chennai Super Kings will look to get their campaign back on track when they lost a resurgent Mumbai Indians in the Indian Premier League here on Saturday. The 4-time champion will, however, be wary of Mumbai Indians, which has superior record at M.A. Chidambaram Stadium here and has claimed victory in the last 2 matches. India's Neeraj Chopra has kick-started the 2023 season on a high as he clinched the javelin throw title in the ongoing Diamond League in Doha. Neeraj, the defending Olympic championship champion, made business right from his first attempt as he ended with the best of 88.67 meter. This is Neeraj's second Diamond League gold, having won the top prize in 2022. That's all for the today. Thank you for watching The Bharat.